Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In case you're new here, my name is Mr. K and I do hair tutorials on this channel. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So in this video, I want to share with you maintenance tips and how to take this hairstyle down, because I found a question on my comment section and a fan was requesting me to share with you guys how to maintain and take down this low cut crochet hairstyle. Yeah, so for maintenance, this low cut hairstyle has zero maintenance. Yeah, you just need to spray your hair and tap using your fingers to put the hair in place, and you're good to go. Yes, for taking it down, it's very easy. Taking down the crochet hair is the easiest way to undo your hair. All you need to do is to cut the crochet hair along your cornrows carefully to make sure that you don't cut your cornrows. Yeah, cut all the crochet hair down close to your cornrows, and then you unknot the braid, because when you crochet hair, you make some knots. So when undoing it, you unknot the braids. You can also use the tail comb to actually remove the braids from the cornrows, and as you can see from this video, it's easy. Yeah, it should be very easy, and that's one way to undo your crochet hair. This low cut crochet hairstyle needs you to crochet small pieces of braids or very thin pieces of braids for it to at least last you 1 to 2 weeks. When you crochet large pieces of braid, it will fall down when you sleep. You will wake up and found some parts of your braid, some parts of the hair are missing on your hair, so it literally won't last you long. Mine lasted for 4 days and I had to take it down. So this low cut crochet hair, let's say it's a 1 to 2 weeks hairstyle. When done well, the long crochet hairstyle will stay for long, but the lower you cut your crochet hair, the less days it will last. So apart from this low cut crochet hairstyle, other crochet hairstyle will last you long. My advice for you is to get the low cut wig that looks natural. That one will serve you months without it getting old. If you want to rock with this low cut hairstyle, get this low cut wig tutorial, detailed tutorial from Yvonne Melda. It's a step-by-step guide tutorial, or any other YouTuber who is making it. It's very easy to make, and you'll be able to make your own low cut wig. For those using glue on the front, the glue is waterproof. Myself, I didn't use glue, so the glue is waterproof, and what you're gonna do is wet the glue area with the leave-in condition and warm water. Yeah, so that's it guys. If you have another question for this hairstyle or any other question about hair, about YouTube monetization, demonetization, feel free to ask me and I'll be able to explain to you. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you want to be notified any other time I upload a new video, make sure to turn on the notification bell. Thank you.